Well, I'll just say from a public health perspective, a lot of the transmission does occur within family groups. And when we have people coming in from out of town, getting together, there was we tested some folks recently at a outbreak at one of our colleges. Someone went to a wedding and got it and brought it back. It's whenever we get folks together in social groups and they let their guard down and they're in close proximity indoors, it's a high risk endeavor. I would recommend that we limit the size of our holiday gatherings. I would recommend that we keep it as much as possible to nuclear close families. And then when you can, take some simple measures. When you can, my own father came by yesterday, and when we had dinner, we left the door open and the window open and stayed 6 feet apart, just to be extra careful. So I think there are things that we can do. It's going to be important not to let our guard down. And I missed my cousin's wedding. I didn't go to several family events recently because I don't want to endanger them or to risk the spread and bringing it back to my coworkers and my family. So it spreads. That's a risk. It's an opportunity for us to let our guard down. So please be very cautious.
What I would say is if Thanksgiving 2020 is exactly like Thanksgiving 2019 and 2018 in terms of the gatherings that we have, transmission's going to go up. I think that's just a fact. And so I'm certainly, as the governor, not going to sit here and tell you don't have Thanksgiving or don't gather with your family, because I think that's important. But by the same token, recognize that there is risk associated with it. And to the extent that we can reduce the size of those gatherings, reduce that risk, monitor it closely. Look, it is still the middle of October. Thanksgiving is 5 or 6 weeks away. The best way for there not to be any transmission at Thanksgiving events is for us over the next few weeks to really turn down the total amount of cases, positive cases in Mississippi, so as to cut them in half or even more, because the best way for there not to be coronavirus spread at your Thanksgiving dinner is for no one there to have the virus. And the best way for there no one there to have the virus is if we can be successful, wear a mask, be smart over the next 3 or 4 weeks, and that'll really help us turn it around.